Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my students. Okay, in this video, I'm going to share with all of you a few solutions from our tutorial books. Hopefully, it helps you to continue with the rest of your tutorial we call questions then. Okay, so as you see here, we're now in the discussion of trigonometric function, tutorial chapter 7. With the subtopic of solution of trigonometric equation. Okay, so in this discussion, in this video, I'm going to share the solution for question A, and also A. There might be one or two, the rest of the question from here. Okay, so in this topic, we're going to look into the expansion of this formula, where sine A plus minus B equal to sine A cos B plus minus cos A sine B, and cos A plus minus B equal to cos A cos B minus plus sine A sine B. Meaning, if we given to us, then the expression of sine A plus B, then it come up with sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And if the expression of cos A plus B, then it come up with cos A cos B. Okay, look at this one here. The first term is plus, so here come up with negative, minus sine A sine B. Okay, so let's take a look at question of 15a. Okay, so for 15a, the question is 5 sine x plus 12 cos x. Okay, so as mentioned in the question, the express is the following in the form of r sine x plus alpha, where alpha lies in between 0 up to 90 degrees. Okay, so let's take a look at this one here now. So this is the form as mentioned in the question there. So 5 sine x plus 12 cos x equal to, so expansion of this sine x plus alpha, where r sine x cos alpha plus r cos x sine alpha. Okay, so look at it, we have sine x and sine x and cos x with cos x. So now we're going to compare this 5 with r cos alpha, where 5 equal to r cos alpha, and this 12 with r sine alpha. 12 equal to r sine alpha. Equation 1 and equation 2. So we're going to find the value of alpha by come up with the we call the idea of equation 2 divided by equation 1. So 12 divided by 5 equal to r sine alpha divided by r cos alpha. So r divided by r equal to 1. Sine over cos is tangent alpha equal to 12 divided by 5, and alpha equal to arctangent of 12 divided by 5. Okay, so arctangent of 12 divided by 5 equal to 67 point, okay, to 1 decimal places, 3.8, 67.38, let's make it 4 dB. Okay, and then we're going to find out the value of r. Let's come up with the idea of equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. So equation 1, r square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equal to 5 square plus 12 square. Then factorize r square, then you get cos square alpha plus sine square alpha equal to 5 square, 25, 144, cos square plus sine square equal to 1. Then r square equal to 25 plus 144, 169, then r equal to 30. Okay, now we'll complete the task here to express this in the form of r sine x plus alpha. So then 5 sine x plus 12 cos x equal to r equal to 13 sine x plus alpha, which is 67.4 degree. Okay. Question of 16a. Square root of 3 sine x minus cos x. So in the we're going to express in the form of r sine x minus alpha, where alpha lies in between 0 up to pi over 2. Okay, meaning that is a in radian. Square root of 3 sine x minus cos x equal to, so expansion of this one here, r sine x cos alpha minus r cos x sine alpha. So now we're gonna compare this sine x with sine x and cos x with cos x. Square root of 3 we compare with r cos alpha. So square root of 3 equal to r cos alpha. Let's name it as an equation 1. And what about this one here now? Do you find any numbers here? So in this case, we consider this as a 1. And 1 equal to, compare with this one here now, which is r sine alpha, equation 2. Then come up with the idea of, to find the value of alpha, we come up with this equation 2 divided by equation 1, where r sine alpha divided by r cos alpha equal to sine divided by cos, 1 divided by square root of 3, and cos sine over cos is tangent alpha equal to 1 over square root of 3, then alpha equal to arctangent of 1 divided by square root of 3. Now let's find out arctangent of 1 divided by square root of 3 equal to 30 degree. And you mentioned here it's in the radian, so 30 degree in the form of pi over 6. Pi over 6 and 80 divided by 6, 30 degree. And then equation, we're going to find out the value of r. We come up with equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. Equation 1, r square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equal to square root of 3 square plus 1 square. then r square cos square alpha plus sine square alpha equal to, then this one here come out with 3 plus 1, and cos square plus sin square equal to 1. So r square equal to 4 and r equal to 2. And we're going to express this in the form of this: square root of 3 sine x minus cos x equal to r equal to 2 sine x minus alpha, which is pi over 6. Question 16. 2 sine x minus pi over 6. Question 17a. Question of A, 8 cos x minus 6 sine x, and we'll express in the form of 8 cos x minus 6 sine x in the form of r cos x plus alpha, where alpha lies in between 0 up to 90 degree. 8 cos x minus 6 sine x equal to, expansion of this, r cos x cos alpha minus r sine x sine alpha. We compare this cos x with cos x and sine x with sine x. Then 8 is, okay, with 8 we compare with r cos alpha. R cos alpha equal to 8, equation 1, and this 6 with r sine alpha. R sine alpha equal to 6. So equation 2 divided by equation 1 as usual, because we like to change this in the form of tangent, and we're going to find out the value of alpha here. So r sine alpha divided by r cos alpha equal to 6 divided by 8. R divided by r, the sine over cos is tangent alpha. Then alpha equal to tangent of 6 over 8. Now, let's find out tangent of 6 divided by 8 equal to 36.86 or 36.9 degree. Then we like to find out the value of r. Then we come out with equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. R square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equal to 8 square plus 6 square. Then r square cos square alpha plus sine square alpha equal to 64 plus 36. Cos square plus cos square again is equal to 1. Then r square equal to 100, right? So then r equal to 10. So now finally we get almost at the end of the step here. So we write down 8 cos x, sorry, 8 cos x minus 6 sine x equal to r equal to 10 cos x plus alpha equal to 36.9 degree. Next question, 18a. previous question is now 17a 10 cos x plus 36.9. And now 18a 12 cos x plus 5 sin x. 12 cos x plus 5 sin x. Cos x plus 5 sin x, right, expressed in the form of r cos x minus alpha, where alpha lies in between 0 up to pi over 2. And 12 cos x plus 5 sin x equal to expression of this r cos x cos alpha minus r sin x sin alpha. So cos x with cos x, we compare them, and also we can see clearly here with 5 sin x and sin x. Now we compare this 12 with r cos alpha. R cos alpha equal to 12 as in equation 1, and this 5 with r sin alpha. R sin alpha equal to 5. Now we're going to find out the value of alpha. I change the thermal sine of cos into tangent and come up with idea of equation 2 divided by equation 1. R sin alpha divided by R cos alpha equal to 5 over 12. Sine over cos is tangent alpha equal to 5 over 12. Alpha equal to the arctangent of 5 over 12. And arctangent of 5 divided by 12 equal to 22.6 degrees. To find the value of r and come out with equation square, write out equation 1 square plus 2 square. It is r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha equal to 12 and 5, 12 square plus 5 square. Then r square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 144 plus 25. Cos square plus sin square equal to 1. Then r square equal to 169. Then r equal to 13. It's time for us now to express this in the form of this. Now 12 cos x plus 5 sin x equal to r equal to 13 cos x minus alpha, which is 22.6 degrees. Okay, and now if I choose question of, let's say 21a, okay, so sin x plus cos x equal to 1. Take a look at question number 21. Okay. Question 21, solve the following equation for x in between negative pi and pi for sin x plus cos x minus equal to 1. Does it mention anything about this form? Do you find any of this form in this question? No. Okay. It means that we are going to think and choose the best expansion that we call related with this one here with sine x and cos x and plus, which I think that this is a for r sine x plus alpha. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's see. This is the one. Sine x plus alpha equal to sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha. We got sine x and sine x, cos x and cos x. So the rest of this we compare with this one, which is 1 and also 1. So this is the one. Okay. Sine x plus cos x equal to sine r, okay, r sine x plus alpha. Expansion of this, so r sine x cos alpha plus r cos x sine alpha. So sine x with sine x and cos x, a cos x here, so r cos alpha equal to 1, equation 1, and r sine alpha also equal to 1 here. Okay, now to find the value of alpha, equation 2 divided by equation 1, then r sine alpha divided by r cos alpha equal to 1 divided by 1. Then sine over cos is tangent alpha equal to 1, then alpha equal to arctangent 1 equal to 45 degree. Okay. Question 21. In the form of x negative pi until pi. Okay. Then now then we're going to find out the value of r. So from here we come up with equation of 1 square plus 2 square, which is r square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equal to 1 square plus 1 square. Then r square cos square alpha plus sine square alpha equal to 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Cos square plus sine square equal to 1. So r square equal to 2, then r equal to square root of 2. And we may express this in the form of, okay, sine x plus cos x equal to r equal to square root of 2 sine x plus alpha, which is 45 degree. Okay, and now sine x plus cos x equal to 1, and also sine x plus cos x we can write in the form of r sine x plus alpha, which is sine x plus cos x equal to square root of 2 sine x plus 45 degree. It's just like a plus a equal to b, then a equal to c. So then it is a b equal to c. So this form r sine x plus 45 we can also relate with this one here. Okay. So now square root of 2 sine x plus 45 degree equal to 1. Then sine x plus 45 degree equal to 1 over square root of 2 So then x plus 45 degree equal to arc sine of 1 square root of 2. Okay. Arc sine of 1 divided by square root of 2 equal to 45 degree. Okay, this is the basic angle of arc sine 1 over square root of 2. So look at this again. X lies in between, okay, greater than negative 100 and also pi then. So if we imagine that this is the recall y and x axis, so for x greater than negative pi, meaning that from here we are talking about the half circle, okay, and the rotation is we go parallel to clockwise direction. Here the angle is negative, and for this one here now, which is half of a circle, angle here anti-clockwise direction. Sine any angle equal to positive. Sine any angle equal to positive. So we are actually talking about the space in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2, where in quadrant 1 and 2, where all the sine of any angle will give you positive value. Sine in third and fourth angle are negative. Now, if this is 45, then this is also 45. Okay, I can write down here again. Okay, 45 and also 45. Okay, the first angle is of course 45. Okay, the first angle is 45. Then the second angle here is okay. What is one here now? This is 180 minus 45, and 180 minus 45 equal to 135 degree, and x equal to 45, bring to the side, become negative, so 45 minus 45, 0 degree, and 135 minus 45 equal to 90 degree. So it is 0 degree and pi over 2. Question 21. 0 and pi over 2. That's it. Okay. So with this short video, I do hope that all of you can just continue with the rest of the question. And that's all for today. Until we meet again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day.